two tools. I'm using an impact driver to make things go faster. You could use a screwdriver. But yeah, just a single T7 Torx head is all you need to get inside of this 2007 iMac. And you do need one of these things, the glass removal pop thing. And this is optional. I kind of don't care today. I already got a couple little cuts, but I might use this. Let's just get that on there, and it comes right out. Alright, and now we gotta take these off here. Let me grab my tray. Alright, so this particular computer doesn't have much value besides the scrap in it. The one thing that we're definitely going to try to test and reuse is down here. It does have a DDR3 RAM in it.
3 DDRs.
Oh yeah, but you can just rip it down. This, if you want to get this out, we're going to need probably a Phillips head screwdriver to access the single screw on here that is not a Torx head. But today we are getting to the hard drive as fast as possible. Oh, you don't actually need to do these two up here.
Don't do it.
Side. And this is the part where I'd recommend prying it open with one of these. There's a lot of sharp things when you get underneath products by Apple designed in California. But that just rips down too. You can leave the cables hanging on there, they kind of don't get in the way. There's this black piece that I usually end up pulling it off just so I can see a little better, because you're just pulling these out here. And that's it.
Move.
I don't know what that is.
Nice, you don't care. Nice. There it is. Wow.
There it is.
Nice.
Fastest way to remove a hard drive from a scrapped 2007 iMac.
There's the Apple. Oh.